What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Trinh Hendrix coming to you guys with a banger today. Especially you Jordan fans, you don't want to miss out. Stay tuned. Alright, I can't keep it a surprise no more. You guys probably already saw in the video title. That's why you clicked and wanted to watch the video. But as it states, these are the 2018 Jordan 11 in the Concord colorway. First off, you guys are probably wondering, how do I have these already? They're supposed to drop December 8th. Well, big shout out to Soul Savvy. I ended up picking these up on Nike sneakers. These are released as a shock drop, like a random drop on November 15th, which was a Thursday. I was actually driving to the barbershop, get a notification from my Soul Savvy Slack, Concord 11's drop. That's why y'all gotta get sneakers. That's why you guys gotta hop on Soul Savvy. Sign up for the wait list. It's a must. Alright, enough about how I got the shoes, but let's take a closer look at the actual shoe itself. Alright, so here's a closer look. So as you can tell, the biggest difference is the numbering on the heel tab. But overall, the shoe doesn't look too bad. It has the black patent leather, the white upper, the Jordan logo in black, the icy bottoms with a bit of purple on the outsole. You got your carbon fiber plate too, can't forget about that. It came with the purple shoe tree, plastic shoe tree. The only disappointment that I wish that was a little bit different, even though I knew it was gonna be like this, is that they don't have the sliding box. The sliding shoe box. With the plastic covering in it with the 23. I don't know, I'm pretty sure even the Space Jams that released, what, 2 years ago had at least the plastic covering in it. But yeah, it's just the old Jordan retro box. I got it in the size 8.5. As you can see here. I'm not gonna do an on-foot for you guys today. This was just a quick video to give you guys an early look at the Jordan 11 2018 release. These do release next week on December 8th. It is going to be a pretty general release, I heard. It cost me $220 US, but in Canada it'll probably be just like the other Jordan 11 releases in the previous years that are $295 plus tax, Canadian. But yeah, if you are new, give you the spiel again. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a comment below. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, and don't forget to share the video. Trinh Hendrix out.